Our special guest is going to be thrilled. He's going to kill them all. No, Candy, not Poppy. She's always been his favorite. I think she's a little asking Annie. She is a little asking Annie. Oh, please take me out of my case. Oh, please rescue the orphans. Oh, please blow up the whole factory and burn everyone alive. Our special guest is here.
Sorry to interrupt.
What did you do with them? Where are the orphans?
Uh-oh, she doesn't know.
I did.
But I had to.
They're
In a better place now.
No. You're a monster!
I saved them all, and this is how they repay me?
This thing is what did it. Plotting to
Destroy the only heaven
you or I.
will ever get. I had hoped your time in the case would help you see.
Reason. I see now.
This was my fault.
You act
Like a child, because
a child.
Is what they made you.
You're hurting me!
Don't be afraid.
I can fix you.
Poppy?
I
Can make better.
the outsider,
Butcher.
they call you. Shall we see what you look like?
Wrong side out.
Don't even think about it.